pronouns change depending on what noun is closest to them. So if you're talking and you say like, this is a good idea and this is gonna work and I can follow what you're saying, or you'll see on my face, or you'll hear when I ask that I'm confused. Wait, what are you talking about? When we're face to face, if I can't follow your use of pronouns, I can show that and I can ask. But our writing doesn't have that. You can't see that I'm confused and I can't ask you in the moment. And so as writers, we need to make sure that we're defining our pronouns in ways that make it easy for our reader to follow along with what we're saying. This is not actually that hard. It requires that we go through our writing, especially like longer documents, newsletters, reports, things where you're writing multiple paragraphs, to make sure that your use of it or this or there is easy for the reader to follow.